Well, a big part of it is, again, you're not trying to get something done, but this is where you educate. You educate yourself. Consciously, you're hearing us talk. You read the manuals, materials, whatever you have. This is where you work with yourself. Yeah. It's education, self-introspection, reminders. We're all saying we remember to clean, right? So again, you're not the destination of I'm going to get there, but I'm noticing that I'm doing it. I feel I can do my Ho'oponopono, right? That's, and if you're willing to clean with this, who knows what other aspects of your life are changing without even knowing it. That's a really big one. Like Kayla's example of, oh, the storm's coming. Then I'm cleaning with the internet. And now the storm is not here. Maybe that cleaning with the internet was different in including her, and the storm went somewhere else. So we never know what's happening. We don't know. We don't know what we miss. Okay.